Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 game not launching or won't launch issue such as crashing at desktop, crashes at startup or simple crashing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. And this video includes the fixes for both Steam users as well as Xbox Game Pass users. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes very carefully. You can follow the fixes one by one and check which one work for you. So let's go. Fix 1 is to install or update gaming services and Xbox app. So go to this website. This is an official Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this website, you will see the gaming services view in store. So click on view in store and then click on open Microsoft Store. This will open the Microsoft Store app. And here you will see gaming services. Now if you have not installed gaming services on your PC, then you will see install button or get button. So install it. And if gaming service is already installed on your PC and if it is not updated, then you will see the update option. So click on update, and after updating the gaming services, go to the downloads tab over here and then click on check for updates, and this will update all the list in your Microsoft Store. And also if you see Xbox and next to it if you see update option, then click on update and update it. Scroll down, here look for gaming services, and next to gaming services if there are any updates available, then you can update it. And after updating both Xbox app and gaming services, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now Steam users, open the Xbox app, open this Xbox app and then keep it opened in the background, and then you can go ahead, launch the game from the Steam and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to run the gaming services repair tool. So go to this official Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down, click on downloadable version, scroll down, click on download the gaming service repair tool for PC, and then run this gaming repair tool.exe file. Click yes to allow, and this will open the command prompt, and this will update the gaming services, and you will see the completed successfully. So if you see completed successfully, then close the command prompt and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you face any kind of issue while running the gaming services repair tool from this website, then you can also run the gaming services repair tool from the Xbox app. So open Xbox app, click on your profile, click on support, and here you will see gaming services repair tool. Click on it and then click on start repairing. Click yes to allow, and this will repair it, all the services over here. And after the repair has been completed, then close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the Forza Horizon 6 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to log in with same account in Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store app, click on your profile and make sure you have logged in with the same account. Again open Xbox app and here check and make sure you have logged in with the same account. And after logging with the same account, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4, check for updates and verify and repair files. So Xbox app user, follow this step. Open the Xbox app, select Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So if you select the Forza Horizon 6 game and then click on this 3 dot, click on manage, then go to the files tab and click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then you can update it and then check. If check for updates is grayed out, then click on verify and repair. This will pop up this screen. Read this carefully and then click on yes to confirm, and then after the repairing has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you have the game on Steam, then Steam users follow these steps. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then select properties. This is just an example I am showing with another game. And then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to repair or reset Forza Horizon 6 and close MSI Afterburner or RTSS software. So if you have the game on Xbox, then go to Windows settings. On the left click on apps, then click on installed apps, and here search for the Forza Horizon 6, and then next to Forza Horizon 6 click on these 3 dots and then click on advanced option. When you click on advanced option, it will open the new screen. Then scroll down and under reset option, you will see repair option. Click on repair and then click on reset. Now please take a note, the app's data will be deleted. So if you agree, then click on reset. And after repairing and resetting the Forza Horizon 6, next close the MSI Afterburner and RTSS software. Just close it from the hidden icons in the taskbar. So click on this arrow icon, and if you see MSI Afterburner icon over here, then right click on it and then close it or quit it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then also close other gaming monitor software such as third-party FPS counter, Rivatuner, Hwinfo, Razer Synapse, MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager or Taskbar, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Steam users disable Steam overlay and then check. So open Steam, go to library. So right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then select properties. And in the general tab, you will see this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game. So just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6, update graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Now expand the display adapters. Right click on your graphic card and select update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers and let the updates complete. And after updating your graphic card driver, close it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now you can also update the graphic card driver from NVIDIA app and AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users can update their graphic card via NVIDIA apps. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA app and open it. Then go to the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. Click on this icon, and if there are any updates available, then click on download and install it. And after updating the graphic card driver NVIDIA app, then restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now AMD users can update their graphic card via AMD Adrenal software. So if your PC has AMD graphic card driver, then open the AMD Adrenal software, check for the graphic card update, and if there are any updates available, then update it and install it, and then again restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to repair or install Microsoft Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8, set high performance for Forza Horizon 6 game. Now Xbox Game Pass user, follow these steps. In Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add Microsoft Store app, and from the list over here, select Forza Horizon 6 and add it. And after adding it, look for it in the list, then expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, go ahead, launch the game and check. Steam users, follow these steps. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app, and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Forza Horizon 6 game folder. Open it and then select Forza Horizon 6 exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list and then expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9, disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So you can disable the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. You will find this in display, graphics, advanced graphic settings, and then turn it off. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on system, display, scroll down. Under related settings, click on graphics, and then expand this option, advanced graphic settings, and here you will see the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Just turn it off, and after turning off, restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game, and it should work. Fix 10. Run Forza Horizon 6 as admin. So if you have the game on Xbox, then here follow the steps. In Windows search for Forza Horizon 6 and then right click on Forza Horizon 6 and then click on Run as Administrator. This will launch the game as an admin and you will not face any kind of issue. Your game will get launched. Steam users, follow these steps. You can run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or you can try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam apps, common, open Forza Horizon 6 game folder. Here you will see Forza Horizon 6 exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking it and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time select run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down from here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 11 is to enable AES-NI in system BIOS. So go to your system BIOS and in system BIOS go to advanced option and then look for Intel AES-NI. If you have this option, then make sure to enable it if it is not enabled, and after enabling it just restart your PC. It is a must. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, launch the game and check. Now if you don't have this option in your PC, then skip this solution. Fix 12 is to update BIOS. Now if the issue persists, then you should check for your BIOS update. You can update the BIOS through your PC laptop manufacturer official website. Once you update it, launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved or not. And the last solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC. Again, you must restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Forza Horizon 6 game not launching or won't launch issue, crashing issue such as crashing to desktop or crashes at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. And this video was for both Steam and Xbox Game Pass users. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.